today, forget it. Tomorrow is nada. The present is right here through the breath. Watching atheist Jesus piece hanging on a cross. We sit and discuss God on lawn chairs about how we got here, what it is, what it isn't. Shit, fate versus fate, scrimmaging with coincidence. Leave out the marketing, hold up on the business end, focus on the genuine, and everything else you can shed the skin. I was a couple moves away from being dead, in that ER overdose and eyes bleeding red. I fell in love, made an album, got a buzz, lost it all, sobered up, and guess what? Now we meet again, and I'm back, finally just laughing. Expectations are resentments waiting to happen. Studying the Dharma, karma, Vipassana practice, Baha'u'llah, Buddha, God to the mountaintop, and I'm traveling, learning, yes, reflecting on what matters. People, permanence, lack of attachments. In space and time, a couple man-made distractions to measure a spirit that no human could ever capture. Church, this booth is my Vatican. I don't control life, but I control how I react to it. Student of the breath, break beats, I'm balancing desire versus truth until I finally find happiness. Before I'm lying in that castle, I'd be lying on the beat if I said I didn't know